Moving on, in a heartwarming initiative by the Indian Army to strengthen national unity and enhance the welfare of soldiers, religious leaders from various faiths are being trained at the Institute of National Integration in Pune, Maharashtra. And in today's episode, we will dive into the spiritual and psychological journey of Indian Army, which is fostering camaraderie within the organization.
The armed forces in India, as we all know, have a crucial role in safeguarding the nation's border as well as the national security, though their duty does not accomplish just here. Beyond that, the army today is also serving for the integration and unity of the country. The Institute of National Integration, INI, a unique establishment within the Army, is dedicated to fostering national integration and enhancing the well-being of soldiers. The organization trains religious teachers from different faiths who serve with Army units and formations across the country. This training institute exposes them to spiritual, philosophical and psychological aspects of religion, mentoring them to the counselors for Indian Army soldiers. The INI ingrains in its participants the importance of national unity and respect for all religions. Soldiers are encouraged to fulfill their duties while also promoting harmony among their troops. These dedicated individuals also serve as yoga instructors, philosophical gatekeepers, lifestyle disease mitigators, resource optimization experts, and promoters of national integration and religious harmony.
मैं 2-3 कम्युनिटी के साथ नौकरी कर रहा था, लेकिन यहाँ पे मैंने देखा हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई सब इकट्ठे हैं और सबसे बड़ी बात है कि राष्ट्रीय एकता जो आपका एक्चुअल में काम है और पहले आप एज ए सोल्जर किसी दूसरे से सीख रहे थे, अभी आपने वो सिखाना है। तो वो जो चीज़ें हमने यहाँ पे सीखी हैं कि पहले फौजी है, फौजी का काम आपने दृढ़ता से करना है, साथ में आप एक रिलीजियस टीचर है और आपके पास एक कॉन्सेप्ट है, एक मोटिव है कि कैसे आपने अपने ट्रूप्स को आगे लेके बढ़ना है।
Moreover, the Sarva Dharma Sthal, a unique concept within the Indian Army, serves as a symbol of unity and inclusivity. Here, soldiers from all religious backgrounds come together to offer prayers, emphasizing the ethos of unity in diversity. This initiative fosters a sense of camaraderie and mutual respect among troops.
Sarva Dharma Sthal. Now, this is a hall in which, let's say, all gods reside, of all faiths and all religions. So that is a place where all of us get together, irrespective of our faith or religion, and pray together. We celebrate our festivals together and partake in each other's festivities without any inhibitions in our mind, which is a step towards fostering the camaraderie that is required in the Indian Army.
INI became operational in February 1985, offering tailored courses for officers, JCOs and NCOs, including religious teachers. Through tailored courses like these and exposure to India's rich cultural heritage, INI aims to equip its participants with the skills and mindset necessary to promote national integration and religious harmony within the Indian Army.